If you've got a fire sprinkler system, chances are you're also equipped with a fire alarm system, which means you're probably juggling multiple vendors for each system and experiencing multiple disruptions from testing throughout the year. Eliminate these issues with Sprinklermatic fire protection systems. At Sprinklermatic, we've been experts in fire sprinklers for over 25 years. Today, we've evolved, offering full-service fire protection and the only fire alarm and sprinkler company that's a Notifier Fire Alarms distributor. Notifier Fire Alarms are the most highly specified non-proprietary fire alarm on the market, so you're never held hostage by a fire alarm company. We even provide alarm monitoring, are ETL certified, and can provide runner service, making us a true one-stop shop for fire protection. Get it all with Sprinklermatic fire protection systems. At Sprinklermatic, we go the extra mile. We'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you.